Okay, today we're going to do some Snell's law practice. And I wanted to remind you, Snell's law, the formula is right here. N1 sine theta 1 equals N2 sine theta 2. N1 is the index of refraction. It depends on the medium. The angle here is going to be the angle with the normal. And then we have that equal to N sine theta in the other medium, the other substance that the light is traveling through. So if you look over here on the right, here's an example of a light ray coming in. It starts in air. It hits that surface, and then it enters another medium, which is glass. Labeled on here is the index of refraction for air, which is 1, and the index of refraction for glass, which is 1.52. So if this ray of light comes in at this angle, we measure that angle with the normal, which remember is perpendicular to the surface. When I measured that, I got an angle of 45 degrees. What I want to do is find out the angle that it changes to when it enters glass. So let's set this up. If the first substance that the light is traveling through is the air, we're going to use its index of refraction of 1. We're going to multiply that by the angle, 45, and then we're going to set that to the other medium that the light's traveling through. So the index of refraction for glass, 1.52, multiplied by the sine of angle 2. So we're looking for that angle 2. So let's do some algebra. We'll take 1 sine of 45, so that's just the sine of 45, and divide it by 1.5. That's going to be equal to the sine of this angle. I'm going to do this step by step. So the first thing I want you to pay attention to is that your calculator is in degree mode. So if you go to mode, make sure it's on degree. Then I'm going to type in the sine of 45, divide it by 1.5, and I'm left with 0.47. So that means 0.47 is equal to the sine of that angle 2. How do we find that angle 2? We're going to take the inverse sine of 0.45, set it equal to angle 2. So I come over here. I've already got that point. Oh, I put 0.45. That was stupid. It's 0.47. Sorry. Let me change that. I've already got the answer right there, so I'm just going to hit second sign for the inverse sine. Second negative sign to get that answer. So it's going to take the inverse sine of my previous answer. I hit enter, and angle 2 is equal to about 28 degrees. That's it. That's how I use Snell's law in practice.